Okay, so for this one, we're going to multiply a trinomial into a trinomial. This one's very large. And you really got to watch that we're doing every step and writing everything out clearly, listing them out, and finding all the terms that we can combine. All right, so again, it's just one by one. Take one term at a time, multiply it to everything in the trinomial behind it. And you just got to kind of just do it. So let's go ahead and start. So r squared times 5r squared, we get 5r to the fourth. So remember those powers, we need to add those. Okay, then we take the r squared and multiply it by r, so we get plus r cubed, and then r squared times -5, which is -5r squared. All right, then we're going to do the 6r. Okay, so 6r times 5r squared, so 6 times 5 is 30, r times r squared is r cubed. Okay, and then we have 6r times r, which is 6r squared, and then 6r times -5, which is -30 r. All right, and then the next one we're going to do is the 5 here. So got to do it 3 times. So here's 5 times 5r squared, which is going to be 25r squared, and then 5 times r, which is plus 5r, and then 5 times -5, which is a -25. Okay, so I did them in different colors so you can see that we had like 3 blocks of things we've multiplied in our polynomial, terms we multiplied in our polynomial. And you can see where we multiplied the r squareds in brown, the 6r in blue, and multiplied the 5 in purple. So now the task is to combine like terms and get everything all sorted out here. Okay, so let's go ahead and do the first thing, which is power 4. So there's no other power 4, so we get 5r to the 4th. Okay, we're now going to go into r3, which is 1r3 and 30r cubed. So we combine those, and that gets you 31r cubed. Okay, remember we're adding. The next thing we're going to do is r squared. So we got -5r squared, 6r squared, and 25r squared. So when you combine all those together, we're going to end up with 26r squared. Okay, so watch the math. It's basically just -5 plus 6 plus 25, which is a 26. All right, and then we're down to our last one, which is -30r and 5r, and that ends up being -25r. And then we have our constant, let's not forget that one, which is -25. So just -25 there. All right, so check to see if there's anything else we can combine. Make sure it's in standard form. It looks good. So I'm going to go ahead and box that in. And that's how you multiply large polynomials. So even though it's a trinomial, we'll do this if it had like 5 terms or 6 terms. And it just gets very long. So one by one.